What a nice bicycle.
My bike! I need to call the police!
Hello, how can I help you?
Hello, police! My bike has been stolen!
I got you. I'm coming. I'm rushing to the call. Those who are on the bike, freeze!
Police!
I see the criminal, and I need a backup. 315, do you copy? 315, do you copy?
315, copy that.
Get ready, the criminal is approaching you.
Roger that. Oh, I see him. You're on the bicycle. Stop the vehicle. Stop! 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 Oh.
You're under arrest.
Okay.
Come on!
The thief is in custody.
Oh no! Hey!
Thank you, we are a great team. Now I need to get the bicycle back to the owner.
Thank you very much that you bring my bike back!
You're welcome. It's my job to help people.
Oh no! Come on!
And you will remain in a cell.
What? Oh no!
Good morning, Max. Do you want to become a policeman, Max?
Yes, very much.
Then I have a present for you.
Whoa! Wow! And what is in these boxes?
This is a surprise. When you put it all together, you'll understand. And I'm going back to work.
Thank you, officer.
You're welcome. See you later.
Sofia! Sofia! can you help me with these boxes, please?
Of course, Max.
Wow, it's a police truck.
Cool. And what is in those boxes? It's a police trailer.
Yes. And these are Lego blocks.
I know. We will assemble police Lego truck.
Yeah!
To assemble the vehicle, we need tools.
First, we install wheels.
Now we install the seat
And the steering wheel. Everything is connected. Install rear view mirrors.
and I install a back body wall.
Cool.
Ooh, we've assembled the truck.
And now let's assemble the trailer.
Let's put the stickers on. Max, what a police truck without a siren.
Yeah, right, Sophia. I want to be a police officer. Wow. My duty is calling.
Well, you've made a nice car. Congratulations.
Yes, thank you, officer.
I want to present you with a deputy sheriff badge.
Whoa! It is a bulldozer.
This is a crane.
It's a wheel bulldozer.
And this one is a crawler bulldozer.
I want to be a driver of a construction truck so much.
Yes, and I'd like to visit the construction site. I know the place. Let's go, Max. There are so many construction trucks there. Wow!
Whoa!
We are in the cabin of a real wheel bulldozer.
Bulldozer broke down?
Max, you fix the engine and I'll check the wheels. Oh!
Wow, it's so cool!
Max, let's roll the wheels to each other.
All right.
Whew. Max, I know. We have to check the oil in the engine.
Okay.
We are to wear a safety helmet on the construction site.
Sophie, it was such a great
I
day.
enjoyed that experience too. The profession of a builder is very important. And what do you want to be in the future?